Oh, the chickens. He's gonna get the whole car
You're
stuck.
burning your entire.
I've used the word piece of cake. Will she fit all of our stuff?
For sure.
Okay.
It always fits.
Right under the surfboard. Man, our Uber driver's jamming in here.
Oh yeah.
Me gusta. No one's going El Salvador.
We were the last ones on the plane. Thought we were gonna miss it. We're sprinting through the airport, and we get.
I wish I
there
packed
like,
a second pair of pants.
That's fun.
Power just went out right on the.
Card is gonna be $12. We made it. Made it through customs.
Where we at?
Through a power outage.
We're in El Salvador, baby.
That the power went out. That was insane. No.
And now we're waiting for Casey and Michaela to pick us up, our other roommates for the month. We're excited. Surf City, baby.
Yeah, we're gonna learn to surf this month.
Also, the custom guy was like, Jillian, right? I was like, see, he was, fix your nails. He saw I had a chipped nail. It was so funny. I was like, I like your nails. Will it all fit?
It always fits.
It always fits. All of us in this car. What's up, Teddy? Teddy got through.
That's great.
Wait,
I love it.
let's go. We're slightly fitting.
We're fitting.
Surfboard.
Monet, with your. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna sit down here.
Ooh, even better. Hey, can you be? So cute. Little slider.
And bungalow.
Oh. Oh my gosh, this place is so cute. Wow. Oh my god, we did the damn thing.
It's so funny.
Hey.
Full kitchen, hell yeah.
Hey, the smush room.
I cannot wait.
Whoa, it's kind of big as book in here. There it is. The cross pool. Same. We got here, and there's AC in our room. I didn't know about the AC. Honestly, that was a pleasant surprise. It is so freaking cute. We literally are like putting a swimsuit on and jumping in the water right now. Oh, I've been waiting for sun for months. Months. Woo! Your baby Jesus thing.
Take us home.
Right? And then once you get past this big dip, then you have to cut left.
Casey, we don't have to do this as a family. Like,
Okay, you're welcome.
I love the ambition. Okay.
here you go.
Thank you. Ooh. All right.
Somebody help me.
This is the road. We're trying to make it up right now. Look at where like these tires skid on the rocks.
I certainly.
Like, Hour uno in El Salvador. I don't think our city two-wheel drive car is gonna make it. Oh yeah, maybe? I feel like he's gotta go left. Oh! gonna get the whole car
You're
stuck.
burning your entire.
Easy boy. Woo. Yeah.
Casey, you're gonna get fired for being our chauffeur.
we're gonna walk it. It was a solid effort though. 10 out of 10 effort. Not 10 out of 10 performance. Yeah, this is no plan.
Casey promised.
So the reason we're hiking up this ridiculous road is because this is where Casey and Michaela have been staying for the past month. And we got to get their stuff to bring it to the new spot. But the car is not making it. But then we're headed to the beach. Wow. And to get some lunch. Daddy!
Dude, remember the other day? We're like walking, he's like looking back, walking forward, because he's looking at this other dog and it bumps into the big one.
He's so young, right? Yeah.
He looks so young. Ooh, check out that Cheeto!
Oh, yes!
Peter is currently in heaven.
That is so cool.
His whole paw's so. Okay, we need to like dip him in some water.
I genuinely could not think of a better first few hours in a new country. What is this? We've already gone off-roading. We've moved into a sick villa.
Yeah,
We're at the beach
slip
with some surfboards. I've never surfed ever in my life, but here we go. The pupusas. They're so freaking good. And we waited so long.
I know, they're so good. The plates are my favorite though, I think.
All right, El Salvador so far.
Honestly, so great. Like,
It's so local. The most, I think, like, local beach place we've ever been.
beach place for sure.
We're pretty tired. I'm running on 1 hour of sleep, and I feel jet lag, honestly.
I feel exhausted
Yeah.
for sure. But
Oh, the chip is, sorry. Look at all our groceries.